potential, infinity at play. Potential breathing is simply working with the light. So find yourself in a comfortable position and relax your body fully. As you inhale, image golden white light filling your being. Then retain your breath and enjoy and brighten this light. As you exhale, expand the light into the space around you. At your own timing, just inhaling, imagining this golden white light filling you. Hold the breath as you like while you're brightening the light. And exhaling, expanding light into your energy field around your body. And enjoy breathing with the light. And then begin to let the breathing technique fall away and rest in a deeper experience of subtle vibrations of golden white light. And let your inner light merge with your outer light. They become one light. So you are in the light as the light, exploring light. Potential meditation. This meditation is simply watching thoughts. We sit in our silence that coexists with all. You may imagine the space right in front of your eyelids. Eyes can be closed, but looking into that space in front of your eyes and just noticing any thoughts that go by. And allow them to be like weather passing through. And each thought that brings your attention to it, notice it fully without analyzing or judging or evaluating. Simply listening to it and then say to it, I let you go. Coming back to the silence, and you may find space in between thoughts. And that observer is just simply watching thoughts and letting them go. And as we let go of our thoughts, we move into our potential. So take this time to just watch any thought without any censorship. Meet it, and then lovingly let it go. And you can say to the thought, I'm letting you go. This practice helps us to acknowledge we are not the body or the mind, and we gain strength in our infinite potential.